Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Electrum wallet. First, download the official Electrum software from its trusted website. Once downloaded, run the installer and choose a unique name for your new wallet. Next, you'll select the specific type of wallet you wish to create, such as a standard wallet. This initial setup is quick and guides you through the essential first steps. The next crucial step is to secure your seed phrase. Electrum will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. Carefully write down these words on paper, ensuring they are in the correct order. This seed phrase is your master key, allowing you to recover your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Store it in a safe, private, and offline location. After securing your seed, you will set a strong password for your wallet. This password encrypts your wallet file on your computer, adding an important layer of security. Choose a unique password that is difficult to guess and confirm it carefully. Remember, if you forget your password, you can restore your wallet using your seed phrase, but the password itself cannot be recovered. Congratulations! Your Electrum wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can now send and receive Bitcoin transactions. Always double-check the recipient's address before sending any funds to ensure accuracy. Electrum provides a user-friendly interface for managing your transactions and monitoring your balance. Enjoy the security and control of your new wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.